The S-5-Q clamp is a revolutionary solution designed for metal roofs with large, round bulb seams up to 29 millimeters. If you're working with squared, bulb seam profiles such as Garland Armor Shield or bulb seam profiles with a diameter greater than 19 millimeters, the S-5-Q is your best bet. The S-5-Q clamp features a unique two-piece design that allows for easy installation at any point along the seam. What sets the S-5-Q apart is its patented set screws that dimple the metal without puncturing it, keeping your roof manufacturer's warranty intact. This clamp is ideal for attaching snow retention systems to help reduce the risk of rooftop avalanches. With rigorous load testing, you can trust that your attachments are secure and reliable. And don't forget the S-5-Q Mini. It's perfect for lighter duty attachments such as solar panels and provides a more economical option without compromising performance. Now let's see how easy it is to install the S-5-Q clamp. First, thread the provided round point set screws into the clamp by hand. Hold the clamp insert piece under the edge of the seam, then roll the clamp into position over the seam and the insert. Tighten the set screws with a calibrated screw gun and the provided bit tip. For the 2 set screw S-5-Q standard, tighten each set screw one at a time, then retighten them as the seam material compresses. Once installed, the S-5-Q requires no maintenance for the life of your roof.